In D2L, it's possible to assign discussion topics to small groups of students, such that students interact with only a subset of their fellow students within a class. In this video, I show you the first of several options for having students participate in small groups within asynchronous discussion topics. A prerequisite for this process and this tutorial is to create groups in your D2L course space. I've done that in my demo course space here and assigned each student enrolled within the class into one of two groups. We have a separate video showing how to create groups and how to assign students to them within the D2L self-paced training resource. This video shows you how to create discussion topics where all students are focused on the same discussion prompt and are working within the same discussion topic. However, they can only see and reply to other students within their particular group. We also have another video showing you how to create separate discussion topics for groups within your class. This latter method is more appropriate when you want each student group to work with a separate discussion topic or prompt, including discussion groups to facilitate a set of group projects. In Kali, we recommend installing discussion topics within your content modules along with other relevant materials. However, in order to set up group discussion topics, you'll need to create them in the discussions area first. So I'll go there to get started by clicking discussions on the nav bar. In the first group discussion method, you create a single discussion topic wherein you can see all student posts or replies, but students can only see the contributions of other students within their particular group. This is perhaps the simplest and quickest way to set up a group parsed discussion and has other benefits as well. I already have my forum created, and so I can get right into discussion topics. I'll click the blue New button and choose New Topic from the drop-down menu. Then I'll enter in the title and the prompt in the description area. After installing the topic name and discussion prompt, I'll choose the radio button, Group or Section Topic. Everyone can access this topic, but students only see threads from their own group or section. Now, it's important to remember that everyone in this case means anyone enrolled in the class. D2L courses do not allow access to anyone who's not enrolled in that particular course space. So from the Group or Section Category drop-down menu, I'll choose the group category that's relevant for this discussion. I also need to choose my forum, of course. Now I can make any other changes I want to make to availability locking options and visibility in general, and I can attach this to a gradebook item under the Assessments tab. In this case, I'm going to hit Save and Close and create this discussion. Now, to illustrate how this discussion topic works, let's look at my instructor view as the professor, and then we'll look at a student view. In each case, I, the professor, as well as a couple of students, have posted in this discussion topic. So here, I posted in the discussion topic once, but D2L gives me the option to create a post visible to a single group or to all groups in the class. If I choose the latter, it creates a separate post for each group, which can be handy. Bear in mind, my post might potentially start two different discussions involving two different groups of students, and this will help me keep organized. Meantime, I can see any and all student posts, that is, posts started by students that started a thread. Now let's look at the same discussion topic from a single student's point of view. She only sees one of my posts. That's the post that went toward her group. She sees her own post and that of another student in her group. She does not see a post by the student Pearl because that student is in the other group. So this student is limited to reading and participating in a discussion with her group. She cannot see or reply to posts from students in the class who are in another group. An additional advantage of this method of organizing group discussions is that with only one discussion topic for an assessed discussion, I can easily hitch it to the gradebook and grade my students' contributions just as if this were a class-wide discussion. I'll click the drop-down menu caret next to the discussion topic's name and choose Assess Topic. And here I get a list of my students where I can click on their individual contribution assessment screens, and I can grade their contributions just as I normally would with any discussion topic.